The Photon Mono M7 MAX by ANYCUBIC boasts an impressive 13.6-inch 7K monochrome LCD screen, which ensures exceptionally detailed textures in your 3D prints. With a substantial printing volume of 11.73 inches by 6.46 inches by 11.81 inches, this printer can handle large models in a single print, enhancing productivity and efficiency. The printer operates at remarkable speeds of up to 60 millimeters per hour, significantly outpacing its predecessor and reducing print times drastically. Its advanced resin management system, equipped with temperature control, enhances the quality of prints and reduces resin wastage by automatically monitoring and replenishing resin levels. The Photon Mono M7 MAX features a suspension drip setting, which allows excess resin to drain back into the tank, minimizing material loss and accommodating a larger resin capacity for extended print jobs. Comprehensive self-check capabilities include multiple intelligent inspections, ensuring a reduction in operational errors and a boost in overall printing efficiency.